3, 2, 1, actions. Sanibonani bafethu apha emakhaya. Once again bafethu, Soweto Podcast Paranormal Show bafethu sesifikile sesingaphakathi sespacini senu bafethu. Ya rekene ra tlhatlhamula re aberekolla bafethu re bapala. Ya ke nako ya Spuku, isikhathi sesipoko. Paranormal Show igama Sipho Hadebe as you know by now. Bafethu siyabonga ukuthi nithathe isikhathi senu ukuthi nisondele nihlanganyele nathi. Nyazi, you spend most of your time on social media, guys, and you choose us. You choose the Soweto Podcast. Buffett, on that note, I'd like to say thank you so much, guys. We don't want to brag and say, hey, hala, hey, celebrations. No, we just want to say we appreciate, guys, your support. It really means a lot to us. We have grown as a Soweto Podcast, Buffett, and we'd like to grow furthermore with your assistance, with you guys holding hands with us. As more as we bring you the stories that you like, that you always feel good, you can just entertain yourself in Kobe's Cat Buffett. We're happy to be that part. As long as also, once again, we take you out of the streets, Buffett, so that we don't engage in some bad activities. So we'd like to believe good intentions about Buffett somehow has a positive impact. So we really like to say thank you so much, guys. Liking, subscribing, always choosing us to view our shows and to comment, guys, and to tell us good how you guys feel, criticizing us. Like we said when we started Buffett Soweto Podcast, we've got a different caliber. So we accept all of that and we take into account what you guys say, how we can grow, how you guys can grow with us. So we really appreciate it. So yeah, Silas Corner because of you guys. So thank you so much. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, Buffett, to share our stories. Guys, let us know what you think. Let us know, guys, how do we grow further with you? So yeah, Soweto Podcast Paranormal Show, Sipho Hadebe, it's in your space. Yeah, arba kening. Sanibona mama.
Ngiyaphila.
All right.
Yeah, ngiyaphila.
Ngithanda iglow yakho yazi.
Okay.
Ngithulile nje ngokubhekile. Guys, kumele sincome shem into mayinhle. Angifani nani phela mina ngiyancoma. Guys. All right, kodwa ma.
Ngiyaphila.
Banomona.
Yeah.
Ma, how are you?
I'm okay.
Are you
Thank
good?
you. Yes.
Are you sure you're okay?
Yes, I'm
Okay.
fine.
What is it that you want to tell us before singene indaba nozizengayo?
Okay,
Yeah,
gama
just nje, ufuna
nje
ukusitshela
ngizozi-introduce ne.
Okay,
Yeah,
let's go.
nguMathuli bangibiza uMathuli ne, nguThuli igama lami ngakwaNkosi ne.
Okay.
Mara bangibiza uMathuli.
Okay, ma.
Kusho ukuthi abantu engibasizayo bangibiza kanjalo bathi uMathuli.
Okay,
Yeah.
ma. Okay, that's
So
nice.
ke nguMathuli ngokuthi ngisiza abantu.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's good.
So ngumuntu lo ogifted ngizalwe nayo lento. Ngangenwa abalozi.
Abalozi.
Yeah.
Okay.
From the early young age uqala kwabo ukungena, so bangena baphelela kusho ukuthi bathatha iminyaka ukuthi bangene.
Okay.
Ne baloke bangena, so i-experience yami with into zama spirits.
Okay. Before you get
Yeah.
into that stand or some, Ma, where did you grow up? Who did you grow up with? And what kind of a child were you when you were growing up?
Okay, ngikhulele eZondi
Okay.
naseJabulani. eJabulani bekukagogo.
Okay.
Yeah. Ngakhulela eZondi ne, eZondi bekusekhaya. Right? So ke ukukhula kwami ngikhule nabantwana abasekhaya nomama nobaba. Ekhaya bekunenkonzo yaseZayoni, my mom umam Bishop, ubaba ku uBishop. So bese abantwana basesontweni nje, ne? Yeah, so ekukhuleni kwami lento mangizocala ukuthi ngiqale ukuyibona ukuthi iqale lapho. Ngiqale ukuyibona la I was 3 years old. Ne? Ngilele no auntie. Ngilele kithi eZondi, ngilele no auntie wami. So mangilele no auntie wami suddenly kusho ukuthi kudala bekungena electric. Kwakubaswa itofu ekseni before bazoya emsebenzini.
When was this, Ma? The years maybe?
Ngizothi iminyaka bekungabuma late 70s.
Okay. Late
Yeah.
70s.
Not late kakhulu. I think ngabuma 70, it was before 76.
Okay.
Before amarayo saka 76.
Yes.
Yeah. So ke bebenokubasa itofu njalo until uzobasa istofu ekseni, and then ke ubaba nomama bebesebenza, so uzobabekela amanzi ukuthi bavuke bayemsebenzini. So ke ngathi ngilele nje one day kwaba khona ivoice ethi vuka ubheke efastereni. So umbhede wethu la sasilala kuone bengilala close to the window, uanti alale ngapha. yazi imbhede yakudala bebenale style lesi sokubeka amathini.
Oh yes.
Izinto engathi ukuthi umbhede uye phezulu.
That's true, yeah.
So I was close to the window ngoba bekufanele ngingawa ngithi uantalala ngapha ne. So ke ngathatha amakhethenisi ngavele ngavuka ngamadolo ngathatha ikhethenisi ngayibeka. So mangithi ngiyabheka ngaphandle ngibona umlungu ne. And ngaleso sikhathi lesabelungu besisaba besithi masibabona sizwe ukuthi bathi abelungu sibasaba nje uyabona sikhule ngalizo ikhathi ze-apartheid. So ke mangithi ngiyambona this woman ugibele ihashi elimhlophe ne makagibele le hashi ugqoke impahla ezi-transparent inwele zinde and ngaleso sikhathi leso u-auntie bekavuka ngabo ma-3 ekseni kusho ukuthi bekungabo 3 ekseni ne makashaya le hashi athi inwele alokathi inwele uyayehla uyezansi so mina ngathuka ne mangithuka ngaskreama ngayehla isikhethenisi ngaskreama bangibuza ukuthi awu yini bagijima beza kimi yini so ngoba bengihlule uku-explain ngangilo ngithi umlungu ngingakhona ukubatshela ngithi bengisesemncane kakhulu ngathi umlungu but that memory isesekhona yokuthi yini engayibona on that day ukuthi kwafika ini mangizoze ngivuke and ngibheke efastereni and then ngabona lo mlungu kanti lapho ukuqala kwenhlupheko yami ke spiritually uqala kwami kokuthi ngiqale ngibone izinto ne then ke mangitoke ngakhula ngomntana ohlupha ngani bengigula kunokugula njalo ngesinye isikhathi ngizovuka ngimemeze ebusuku ngumntana ongalali uyabona uvuka memeze ngesinye isikhathi ngiyalala ngesinye isikhathi angilali okay ugogo wami umama kaBaba because bekasaphila athi kumama nobabami mabangilethe kuye ne ake athi ukungibona kahle ngoba lento yami yokuthi bathi ngiyahlupha angilali ngibona izinto ufuna ukuyibona kahle ukuthi lento iyini then ke ukuhamba kwami ngiyohlala eJabulani kwaba into nje iya temporarily ngihlala khona eJabulani so mangifika eJabulani kagogo ngihlale ke I think ikhona ngihlale for 3 years eJabulani ngihlale khona eJabulani ngihleli nogogo siya ekhaya only ngama weekends nangama holidays right mangihleli kagogo bebefuya amajuba so mabafuya amajuba lento icage leli belihlala amajuba beli phezkwendlu
okay
so amajuba bewamaningi nje na phezkwendlu then ke besilala ekitchen sizondlala ispontshi ekitchen bazondlala ispontshi ekitchen abo auntie because bebebadala abo auntie bami badlala ispontshi ekitchen then ngizolala nami nabo and mina bebengibekela le ngase stovini bona babe ngapha towards the door uyabona so because it was a big family so ke mangilele lapho ukuqala kwayo lento ukuyenzeka kwaqala bekhala amajuba akhale ayenze lento yawo yabona akhala amajuba then ngizophaphama ngumntwana ngaleso sikhathi and angakafundi isikolo ngingakafiki kwi-age ukuthi ngifunde isikolo umntwana makhala amajuba kanjalo then ngizovuka ngizokuthi manje ngiphapheme and laba abanye balele faster sleep laba abo auntie mangiphaphama kuzovuleka umnyango kungena abantwana bafake bengithi abantwana bafaka amanapkin because bengibona la bafake la kuba ngathi bafaka amanapkin ngoba imhlophe la ngaphansi bafake angazi noma ama-underpant amhlophe bazongena nabantwana bahamba so bayangena balandelana mabalandelana the last child always uzobona ukuthi angilelanga bekakhona ukungibona ukuthi angilelanga then uzothi kulaba abanye ngazi bakhuluma nje la ngisho understand atshele laba abanye then yena buya azela kimi ne uzongishaya for ukuthi ngibabonile mabangena uyabona makangishaya ngizolwa back ngilwe ngaleso sikhathi ngivalekile angikhona ukumemeza bayangivala ukuthi ngakhona ukumemeza ngilwe ngalesikhathi lento izonyamalala ezandleni zami kula ngizovuleka ukukhuluma then ngizoqala ngiscream ngiyakhala bathi yini nakhona ngihlule uku-explain ngizolwe ngithi abantwana bayangishaya bekuba yileyo nto leyo abantwana bangishaya then ugogo uzovuka ashisa impepha shisa impepha uthole sengidumbile laba kuba ngathi ngumuntu oqubukile oye wavuvuka yabona ngibe nezinto ngathi ngithole ngidumbile lana bangigcobise ivinika ukuthi kuyehle lokudumba lokho bekuba yilento leyo so lento ngenyanga beyiza twice or thrice ngenyanga bengiphila leyo mpilo every day bengiphila leyo mpilo leyo ukuthi lezi zinto kufanele zifike and ngiyazazi mazifika isayina amajuba.
Sorry to disturb you, just to make our viewers understand. Probably at what age was this?
I think kuleyo age bengilabo ma 4 or 5.
Okay.
Bengilabo mang estimate kahle 4 or 5 bengilabo. Yeah. So ke bazongena labantu laba then ke ugogo uzoloke aye and mangi imemory yami mangiyibuyisele emuva ngaleso sikhathi bengisilenda bengidla mara bengisilenda. I think ubusilenda bami the way bengingakhona bekuwukuthi ebusuku ziyabuya angilali nginesikhathi nje sokungalali ebusuku ne and mangithunywa ngoba kudala sasilayita amakhandlela bangithuma emakamereni hamba landa ukuthi thola ukuthi kumnyama ngokubuya kwami lapha ngibuya sengigijima ngenye indlela sekukhona into engiyibonile ngithunywe ngaphandle hamba ukhamanzi ngibuya sengilahle ibhakede phansi sekukhona into engiyibonile so nje bengiphila leyo mpilo leyo ngiyazi ukuthi haya bebazi ukuthi abangithumi kule indawo ezingathi zemnyama ngathi kunjani bathi ngiyasaba bebezitshela ukuthi hayi uyasaba ningamthumi uzobuya sekachithe namanzi yabona leyo nto leyo so ke ngakhula ngiloke ngikhula ingaba umntana ohlakaniphile ngenye indlela so mangiloke ngikhula ngila la bekunabo baba omncane kunabo auntie ne ngisho ukuthi bekuyifamily enkulu
yes
so abo baba omncane befunda ema high school abanye abo auntie bafunda ema lower primary kanjalo so benginokuthatha angazi ukuthi bengiyenza kanjani lento incwadi zabo abafunde ngazo esikolweni bengizifunda ngikhona ukuthatha yonke lento lena ngimemorize ibe lakini by the time ngiyocala i-first year grade 1 ne usub A sasimbiza usub A ngaleso sikhathi mina incwadi zonke bengizazi amara station amade wesizulu bengiwazi bebengithatha ngathi ngumntana ohlakaniphile because lezi zinto ngizicala ukuzazi ngiyiwana ngazi ukuthi bengifundisa ubani but bekuna this voice that was always with me ngathi yangifundisa lezi zinto lezi yangifundisa so kuqhubeke ke fast forward kuqhubeke ke ngiloke ngisesikolweni ne ngagogo then kube khona isikhathi sokuthi manje sengibuyela kithi ezondi ne leso sikhathi bese ngiyenza standard 1 I'm not sure what grade is it standard 1 wakudala
bafethi sama old school
grade 3 yes
onyazi bafethi grade 3 ayima kusho ukuthi thina sesithe kuba advance
ngifunde ethathe zakho eDobsonville so bese ngiyenza khona ngabuye ekhaya ne so sengibuye ekhaya yaqala futhi lento yaqala phansi nengenza bo standard 1 leso sikhathi yaqala phansi mayiqala phansi yenzani ebusuku ngiyavuka izothi le voice kimi vuka uvimbe nangugogo ofuna ukungena lakini and makangangena mangaze abhodele ngale kuzophela abantu lakini mvimbe ugogozilile mangithi automatically my third eye will be like ivuleke mayivuleka ngiyambona lokho from outside mina ngivuka ngilele nabanye abantwana ngivele ngivuka and mangivuka ngithi ngiyamvimba ne kuthi I'll be like ungangeni kithi wena ngiyazizwa ukuthi ngithini ngithi ungangeni kithi wena ngiyenza so izandla ungangeni kithi wena and mangithi ungangeni kithi wena the more ngithi ungangeni kithi wena ngenza izandla so lokho uzovela fly le kude like ngizomshaya bekune power ebeyiphuma la uzowela la ngingazikhona ngibona ukuthi ngimshaye wandisa ngaleso sikhathi sekuvuke wonke umuntu kuvuke nabanye abantwana baphethe ubuthongo babangela ukuthi kwenzakalani sebathi chaza sengiyakhala because ngithi why lento yenzeka kimi why abanye abantwana bakwazi ukulala mina ngakwazi ukulala bathi yini ngithi mina ugogo ufaka inzila ufuna ukungena lana bathi ngimvimbe yabona and ngaleso sikhathi abantu abadala mabangithola ngisesekuleyo trends leyo ne kuba ngathi bathi kimi ngisuke ngikhuluma ilanguage abangayizwa mina ngiyazizwa ukuthi ngithi ungangeni kithi bona bathi ngivele ngishaye ngama-tongues yabona ngikhulume nje ilanguage abangayizwa but mina ngiyazizwa ukuthi ngithi ungangeni kithi then ke ngiloke ngikhula ngayo le nto le ukuthi manje ngigada ikhaya kahle kahle kusho ukuthi mangi-analyze lento mase ngimdala ngabona ukuthi usho ukuthi bengigade ikhaya lakithi because bekungekho into engenayo yangena yangivusa lento ithi vuka sekukhona into ethile uyabona so nje bengihlala ngilwa izinto ezinjalo izinto ezithile ke then ke kwandlula so abalozi babezoqala ukungena because
kunjini abalozi
abalozi it's a spirit esi powerful esithi masingena kumuntu ne asikho ebantwini abaningi ne masingena mangabe singena kuwe ne singena sikwenze ukuthi ngizobeka njengoba abobaba credo abantu bebenabalozi
okay
people who are like that because you predict things ukwazi ayikho into engenzeka kwi-country yakho or enga-affecta umhlaba wonke ungayibonanga wena I see izinto ngaleyo ndlela leyo akunanto eyenzakala kusho ukuthi into nento abantu abasemhlabeni abangayinakanga mina ngizoyibunaka ngoba izofika kimi
akusumprofit or whatever
abantu bangibiza abanye bathi ngumprofiti abanye bathi umamthandazi bangibiza ngendlela ezihlukehlukene abanye bathi ugogo bathi ngugogo nebangazi kanjalo ukuthi ugogo kodwa angithwasa
yes ngithi in that context yokuthwasa
angithwasa ukuthi indlela abafuna abaye bangifuna ukungibiza ngayo bangi-understanda ngayo ngoba nami ngokwami mayisaqala lento bengazi-understand ukuthi ngifola kuphi because ngiyazi ukuthi angisisangoma angithwasanga uyabona and yet I've got this power na these spirits ezisebenzayo kimi and zingene kanjani bekuhamba inyoni birds bezingene emadlebeni ngilele ebusuku zizothi masingene emadlebeni masingene emadlebeni ngizophaphama and mangiloku ngikhula bengitshela ukuthi umoya omubi umama ngithi wayengijwayeze ukuthi makwenzeka lezi zinto ubona lezi zinto ukukhuleka uthandaza so ukuthi ngithandaze bese kuyinto yami ehleli la ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi makwenzeka anything nje engathi iyangithusa kufanele ngithandaze so ke besithi mazingena ngizophaphama bese ngiyathandaza ngithi umoya ngizitshela ukuthi umoya omubi but sezingenile ne zizostop then zingadlulisa a month they will come again zizongena futhi uyabona kuba ngathi kusho ukuthi yonke leminyaka ngiyakhula mina ziloke ziyangena kancane zingaqeda 2 years singangeni zithathe boma 3 years zingangeni zizobuya nginganakanga ngithi nazi futhi zingene ngizophaphama sengiphakathi sezingenile ezinye then ngizwa ngamaphiko yabona angithatha la then izingene right tell la sengihamba kuba 9 years ne bengithi mangidlala ngaphandle ngidlala nabanye abantwana kuzoba ne-voice ezongibiza ezothi kimi because bengihlala nginalo umuntu onami ongidirectayo ukuthi yenza ukuthi and then ongikhomandayo and once wakhuluma nakanjani ngizo-acta ngiyenze leyo nto leyo ngoba una this commanding voice yabona yeah uzothi yenza ukuthi then ngizohamba ngiyenze kanjalo so lo muntu uzothi hamba athi sokuyisikhathi sokuthi uyobheka labantu ngithi bapha abantu then I will go ngihambe ngendlini lento lene iyangitshela and iyangidirecta ngina-9 ngaleso sikhathi ngivele nje ngibayeke and beyenzeka makungabo 12 ekseni emini yasekuseni ya mazithi 12 lento izongitshela hamba endlini ngendlini ngingene ekamereni lethu lamantombazana ngifike ngingene ngihlale phansi flat phansi ekhapethini ngihlale phansi then ngizobona abantu ne abaningi labantu and mangibabone kimi ngiya-understand ukuthi labantu abasaphili la kulomhlaba esikuwo they are somewhere ne abantu besifazana abantwana amadoda ngathi thousands and thousands of people bayahamba mabahamba baface la baya khona baface intaba emhlophe baya entabeni baface le ntaba emhlophe then ngizohlala lapho ngibukele mangibukela umamami ungibonile mangingena ekamereni and ngathi beka nginaka ukuthi bebehlala banginaka ukuthi sengiyenzana ekamereni yabona mangingena ngale umama uzovela avula athi wenzani ngithi mama naba abantu ngithi uyababona akababoni athi sukum hamba yodlala so umama mbe imwarisha lento abona ngathi lo mntana ngeke azafunde yabona if singayiyeka lento we need indlela yokuthi siyikhulekise ukuthi siyivale mangabe khona indlela yokuyivala yabona ngoba bebe nendlela ukuthi bangiphahlele bathi bangicelela ukuthi mabangiyekele bangilinde ngikhule yabona kube nendlela enjalo lento lena mara still beyiluke ihlala inami yabo so ke ngaloke ngakhula ne then kwafika isikhathi ukuthi impilo iyahamba my mom passed away ne before she passed away amakagula ngabuya ngeze ekhaya ngahlala naye kuleso sikhathi egula ne umbe kumuntu ongaguli but wathi makaqala nje agula ngabuya ngeze ekhaya ngahlala naye so umama ngithe mangiloko ngilala naye ebusuku aloka agula ne siloke simhambisa udoctor agula khwehlela ngaqedi bekwenzakalani bengithi ngivuke ekamereni kune carpet ye leopard igcwele lonke ikamera then ngizothi mama bheka ukuthi kwenzakalani and ngaleso sikhathi sengimdala nginabo la kubo late 20s yeah boma 29 close to 30 ngithi bheka kunani athi ngiyayibona kanti mina ngakamboni mama ukuthi uzoshona yabona but njalo ngivuka kunale carpet eyele part ne right umama because naye beka gifted and abona ne wathi kimi bathi abantu abadala ungasalali nami I said oh okay then ngamuva ngaya kwelinye ikamera ngawulala khona ngamiyeka walala eyi-1 yabona so leyo ngiyayi-understand ukuthi bebengisusa because njengoba bengithi ngibona icarpet yabona leyo transition eyenzeka womuntu makazohamba emhlabeni that means mina bengizoyibukela yonke and kunezinto bebezama ukuthi bang-shield from zona ukuthi ngingaziboni ukuthi umuntu makahamba uhamba ama-stages awathathayo yimaphi maybe bebebona ukuthi I'm not ready for that vele I was not ready ngoba bengekho ready ukuthi umama angashona uyabona yeah because uye bengikhona ukushare uye beka-understand igift yami abanye abantu bebengeke ngize ngikhona ukushare nabo lento ngoba bengingabatholi abantu abasuffer from the same thing engisuffer from yona ne so umama kuphela bekangi-understand so ke kuthe 3 days before umama mazoshona ne kufike ubhuti wakhe ahamba nonkosikazi wakhe umalume nomalumekazi bazombona ne hayi bafike bambone then mase bathi sebayahamba bekungabo 3 ntambama athi umalume athi umalumekazi hey asikhulekeni sesiyahamba sizonibona kusasa ngaleso sikhathi umama akakhulumi like uvalekile emlonyeni akakhona ukukhuluma uhleli nje embedeni siyamgeza simgezise simbeke embedeni akakhulumi
in real life
yeah sekagula lokho ukuthi akasakhuluma
okay
akusena voice sekadliswa njengomntwana ne makangakhuluma ahleli lapha embedeni bekuthi mangiye ekamereni angikhwathi ivuleka ivoice kancane athi ngathathela izinto phansi ngithi ngijabule ukuthi hey kusho ukuthi nangisekabona kusho ukuthi uya recover athi ningathatheli izinto phansi ngithi ngoba kwenze njani hayi bese kuba ngathi uyahallucinate then she will be like yo nangu babakho oh like she will talk to my dad my baba mbese kashonile akhulume nanosisi wakhe yena umama ngithi uyilast born ku wazalwa usisi wakhe loyo sekudala washona uzalwa ngekho lo muntu mara bekambona athi Thoko ambize ngegama athi Thoko ngaleso sikhathi ukhuluma yiwana akasasibheki ngaleso sikhathi kakhuluma yiwana right ke ngalelanga ke umalume bathi asikhulekeni sizohamba bazohamba ne bashiye bazosibona kusasa then siyakhuleka usisi nganginosisi wami nosisi wami omunye aguqe lapha nami siguqele endaweni yami close to the door dining room and then bona baguqe ngale sitting room baguqile siyakhuleka ngiyakhuleka nami ngijulile ngoba lento isiphethe kabi indaba kamama mami yokugula yabona mangisakhuleka kanjalo ibuye le voice bese kudala futhi ngigcinile ithi le voice kimi nayi ingilosi izothatha umphefumulo kamamakho ngiscreame ngithi ngikhale ithi ungakhala ngithule same time yabona ukuthi the way ine authority ngakhona mayithi ngithule same time ngithi mangithula hayi iyabingena iyabizindlozi yandlula from efastereni ku-wall yeza so ihamba ngathi ingubo ezinde ugqoke ngathi abafundisi baseRoma. This man ne akasumuntu omnyama akasumlungu unobu light in complexion but not too light brownish light yabona ngazi kanjalo ne and then la ufake umqhele la ne wegold amehlo wakhe ayilanga angathi ilanga the way mowabheka ayelo ngathi ilanga and awabhekeki ngoba like umbheka umtshontshe mawumbheka uyaxwayisa ulokuthi yabona ungibona amaphisi awumboni kahle ibhande lakhe liblack ayiligqokile la linenkanyezi ezimnyama mara mawuthuthi uyabheka phakathi kwale bhandi ngathi ubusuku ngathi ungavela ufaka isandla but it's a belt di trimming ngegold la linobumnyama la nenkanyezi mara le nkanyezi zireal ubusuku la hamba kanje lena. So now lo muntu okhuluma nami othi ungamemezi khuleka ungakhali khulela uthi kimi khuleka then ngasukuma lapho ngathi ngilosi I was bleeding nengilosi ungawuthatha umphefumulo kamama yandlula nje la iduzane nami ungawuthatha umphefumulo kamama ungawuthatha ngilonyenze so ngiyableed yaya ekamereni mayifike ekamereni umama ngale mabasho laba bebelalele besinabo bathi umama washaya ngezilimi nami bathi bengishaya ngezilimi bathi bengikhuluma ilanguage abangayazi ngenza izandla so mina ngiyazazi ukuthi bengakhulumi lo language I was saying ngilusi ungathatha umphefumulo kamama ngale umama wami bekane conversation with ingelosi so umama ngale bekakhuluma ngama-tongues aloka asempedeni mara khuluma ngama-tongues mina bengiyazi ukuthi ukhuluma nengilosi bona bebengazi yabona bathi mina ngavele ngakhuluma ngama-tongues noma mama wakhuluma ngama-tongues ekamereni amanye different from la mina bengikhuluma ngawo. So ngiyabona ukuthi mabathi are different that means it was a conversation kamama nengilosi ebebengazange bangi-include kuyo ngoba as much as ngiyazile bangitshelile ukuthi na ingilosi ne bengikhuluma ngama-tongues kodwa bengingabezwa i-compensation yabo kamama with ingelosi ne right ke indlule leyo part umama after 3 days besayashona ne indlule leyo bengibatshele ukuthi ingelosi indlulile lana ithi so they know me bebengasathuki ngoba I predicted many things ngipredict abantu abazoshona ifike kimi ithi umuntu kanje siphelile isikhathi sakhe sokuphila emhlabeni. Then I will tell ifamily like khona ekhaya ngithi hey ufike futhi ngesikhathi kusaphila umama bengitshela yena umama ngithi hey mama ufikile phela ngoba bekathi ngimbize umlomo ongathethi imanga so bengimbiza kanjalo ngithi ufikile phela umlomo ongathethi imanga hey mama uzoba worried uyazi ukuthi angigage ngithi ufikile uthi umuntu kanje isikhathi sakhe siphelile sokuphila emhlabeni mangabe khona into ukuthi abazange baxolelane ubani nobani mabahamba baxolelana kulithela umama. I would even see inkinga zabo makhelwane kuzofika umuntu okudala washona wakamakhelwane azotshela mina ukuthi ucela ukuthi ngiyobatshela ngapha ukuthi nokuthi yabona sometimes kwezinye indawo ngisaba ukuya ngithi baze bacabanga ukuthi maybe si involve kulezo zinto lezo zokushona kwabantu nani because abanye abantu aba-understand lama predictions engiza nawo nale gift yami abayi-understand the way ekhaya bayi-understanda ngakhona ne right ke so ke kuthe makushona umama wami impilo yahamba ne kwaluka isikhathi sihamba zabuya le nyoni again and dala ngazigcina mazibuya ngaphaphama futhi again ngazistop ne from ukuthi zi-entering ukuthi ngavuka ngakhuleka right ke mangivuka ngikhuleka bese kusho ukuthi kunesonto bengiloku ngivakasha kulo lamaZayuni. Athi omunye ubaba engiprofita ne. Athi kimi le ngilo seyifikayo kuwe. Lesi simo sale ngilo seyifikayo kuwe. Sivumele senzeke ungasivimbi. Kuthiwa ngitshele lokho ukuthi kunale ingilo sekudala ziloke ziza kube zifika, mazifika zifike ngomsindo wena uzistop. Zivumele zingene. Ngoba ziloke ziyangena and zichithela isikhathi fune ngabe kudala za manifesta kuwe. Asho net kanjani? Hayi lo baba lona kwandlula only a week zafika lezi zinto. Amazifika uyaphaphama phela amazifikile angavele ngathambisa umzimba. Ngaziyekela zangena zaphelela maziphelela zathi tu masiceda ukuphelela then that's where kwaqala out of body experience. Ngaqala ukwazi ukuphuma emzimbeni and leave my body then ngifloate ngihambe kuye wherever la ngifuna ukuya khona. Let's say ngithi eating your while ngikuleso state ne, let's say ngithi eating your umngani wami, I would like masinyane sengilapha ngizambona umngani wami nangulele then and come back. Yaqala leyo nto leyo ne yakwarisha lento leyo manje siyangwarisha ke manje leyo ukuthi manje sengiphuma emzimbeni and ngifuna umuntu ona say ngathini oke waba kwi same experience engizokwazi ukushare naye lento. Mama makasekho ngithi now manje seziyangidumela manje ngiphuma emzimbeni ngibona izinto ngiphuma emzimbeni ngibona izinto one day ngaphuma emzimbeni mangiphuma emzimbeni kanti mangiphuma emzimbeni ngawubona umzimba wami nangu ulele lapha empedini but ngilele njengoba ngilele lapha ngibheke phezulu ngathi ngifile the way ngirelaxe ubuso ngakhona angibonakali ngathi lo mzimba lo uyaphila ngilele lapha empedini ngimile ngubhekile kanje lo mzimba. So ke mangilele ngubhekile kanje lo mzimba ngachela ngibona abogogo abayi2 bagqokile into zesonto bayacula mara ngibezwe bacula liphi iculo mara ngibabona ngokushaya izandla nomlomo ukuthi okay labantu bayacula close to my bed bayacula mawusacula kanjalo kwangena 2 males ekuama Egyptians, 2 Egyptians. You see the way bagqoke ngakhona bagqoke like ama Egyptians like abo Pharaoh bakudala yabona the way bagqoke ngakhona not the way they bayipende ngakhona, they are so thick and they are very tall bayi2 mabangena ngathi labo gogo bebemele bona ngathi bekuyi ceremony ebebeyenza lapha and ngathi kunama rituals bebezowenza but on my body. So again mina I'm there looking at my body like this ngibheke lama Egyptians ba busy, they are fiddling with my body lapha ngazi bayenza 2 males then ngathuka then ngabuyela emzimbeni. So ke ya continue lento yokubuyela emzimbeni ukuthi now bese ngikwazi nokuzikhipha mina ngiyakwazi ukuzikhipha because I enjoy lento yokuthi ngiyakhona ukufloata around my room yabona ngihambe and mangibuyela emzimbeni ngibuyela ngathi kuthi yabona ngena umzimba uzothi yabona mangingena then sengibuyelile ne then ke kanti sezinkathazo.
This is what age now?
Ngaleso sikhathi early 30s.
Early 30s.
Ibhizi ke ithi ngibeke unyaka because I remember mayizoqala kwenza 2014.
2014.
Yeah.
Okay.
2014 makwenzeka leyo nto leyo. Hey kanti zizongishubela ngalo 2014. Lento yami yokuphuma emzimbeni and ngikhona ukutravela on the spiritual realms izongibizela izitha. Not abantu engithi abomakhelwane abantu abangisara, no, people that I don't know. Angazi ukuthi kushithi angazi khona la ngibaphazamisa khona. Ngithi ngisalele mina izinto kimi ngine lucky yokuthini anginanto mina eyami eyenzakala ngilele ngithi bengiphupha anginayo azenzeki ngiphupha. Funeke umlomo ongathethi imanga ungivuse into mayizoyenzeka ngiphaphame while abanye abantu balele then bese ziyaduma. That's how it happens. Game ne anginanto engithi hayi bengilele ngaphupha beziduma ngibheke ngamehlo. So ke yafika umlomo ongathethi imanga wathi vuka ukhuleke na amadoda azokubulala. Just like that. Engashaya uvalo. Ngashaya uvalo. Ngaguqa phakathi kwengubo ngayenza ingubo so ngakhuleka mkhulukela phansi ngingafuni nokumemeza ngoba ngizitshela ukuthi lamadoda kusho azongizwa ukuthi ngila yabona ushem ngezwa imoto zima like angithi manje sekusebenza igift iyenza ukuthi ngizwe ukuthi kuyenzakalani and igift iyenza ukuthi anything eza kimi ngiyayibona ngisendlini izoza ngiyibona ngiyababona labantu bafaka amasudu amnyama very tall bayahamba bafaka amasudu amnyama bathi babhode ngendlu ini mabafika bawushaya umnyango kusho ukuthi umnyango bese bawuwisile kahle kahle the way babewushaye kakhulu ngakhona yabona ukufana nokuthi nje so ufile uwe phansi wavithika ngiyawu imagine ngiloke ngiyakhuleka ngiyatatazela and ngikhuleka ongayindawo ngoba ngilo ngithi baba wethu mara akuyindawo mabaceda bathi akekho with deep voice bathi akekho bahamba mabaceda ukuhamba I prayed so much ngibonga uNkulunkulu ngiphuma inyembezi ngikhala ngibonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi umfihlile labantu laba they are not from this world mara ukhonile ukungifihla ukuthi bangangiboni because bengikhona ngikhuleka but bathi akekho then bajika bahamba ne so ke ama challenges engiba nawo where I fight with the things of this eziphila lapha ku spiritual world maningi. There was a time lana kufika reptilian man magafika the reptilian man kwavuleka isilingi lapha phezulu angikhuluma ukuthi ngiyaphupha angikhuluma ngento zokuphupha mina ngikhuluma ngento zokuthi into zikushubela ubhekile wafika lapha yana kwavuleka isilingi wadlala rock song ne kwazwakala lo msindo that rock song was so nice ngawulalela lo music lona ngiwulalele ngibeke ngicimezile ngiwulalele lo music lo ngiwulalele ngize ngenza so ikhanda ngiwulalele uyakuthatha ukwenza ukuthi uphakame and manje sengihleli ngiyibuna lo ngiyenza so ngihleli phezulu kombhede manje ngilalele lo music mangithi ngiyabheka here nangi lapha yana the reptilian man uye lo shalo music aphinde asilenge phakathi kwalo music athi there comes a beast. There comes a beast. Aloka up there comes a beast. Phakathi kwalo music. Then ufike futhi ivoice yona yinglash lo umlomo ongathethi imali. Athi yekela ukulalela lo mculo lo cancela lo mculo lo ngeculo lesonto. Iculo laziyo lesonto. Uqale ngikhansele leculo lo manje. Sekhani ngibona ukuthi mosekushubile. Athi yekela ukulalela leculo leli bazothatha umphefumulo wakho. Cancela leculo ngeculo lesonto then iculo lesonto kwakhanseleka yavela inyamalala kwavaleka isilingi.
This is real thing.
Ngikhuluma mina nga the real things ukuthi lento yangena kimi it makes me ukuthi ngi-experience the real things akusuka ukuthi ifuneka into ngizwe ngobani or ngithi bengilele. Makuza izinto zaku spirit makuza abogogo baza kimi like let's say bafuna ukuzokhuluma nami ngizothi ngihleli nje futhi abezi kakhulu mawuhleli nabantu kanje mabeza uhleli wedwa let's say mangaba yi1 endlini kuzofika lento lokuthi ngirelaxile yazi kamnandi ngisarelaxile ngisathi ngisayimamela ukuthi singaze ngarelaxa kamnandi la ngoba kunendlela la mawubreathe ne mawubreathe slowly ekuyindlela le ekwenza ukuthi ukhone ukuthi ube ne-access ngale ku spiritual world mawuqala ubreathe slowly ngathi usuke ku alpha stage yeah mawuba ku alpha stage you are not sleeping but you feel sleepy kanti zizoduma so ke bazoza ngamanzi bavele so ngamanzi ame ngathi afrizile la bakhulume nami baqeda bahamba. So indlela engicommunicate nayo mabafuna ukuzocommunicate and mabake beza ngokuzongiwona ukuthi kunempi ezayo kanje zivikele ngokuthi nokuthi yabona. So ke mabeza ngaleyo ndlela leyo ne. So because of this gift of mine loke ingihlupha ne, loke bengiloko ngiyithatha ngokuthi yangihlupha ne, ingenze ukuthi ngi-experience into eziningi ezi-spiritual, ngikhona ukuzibona, ngikhona like ngumuntu lo that can go aye endaweni kugcwele abantu kanjini eholweni. Let's say kufanele ngikhulume, ngizofunda lo muntu lo, ngiyazi ukuthi lo bekayenzani, lo bekabulala umuntu izolo, lo bekwenzeka ukuthi kuzohlangana ngithi. Uthothi manje sengiyaphithana, sengibambekile manje yabona, ngifuna ukukhuluma mara manje sengimamele abantu yabona. So I had to ukuthi ngifunde ukubalansisa that ukuthi ngokuthini, ngokuthi mangiyendaweni kufanele ngifike early if ngifuna ukuthi ngikhone ukukhuluma kahle. Ngafika late abantu sebakhona, then ilanga lami selimoshakele. Kufanele ngibe early ngikhone ukuthi ngibalansise ispirit sami kahle with indawo. Qala nabanye nalawo bantu abafyume bengizobathola, then ngiyazi kubalance kahle, then ke makunjalo umuntu ozofika ngeke asanginyathela, sengizokhona ukubona ukuthi okay lo and manje isebenza kanjani, isebenza with numbers ne, because labo gogo laba basemanzini yibo abeze nalento bathi nayi lento nithi yabelungu and le indlela yethu le be i-horoscope. Angithi thina sicabanga ukuthi iza nabelungu. No, I come from belungu. I come from kubantu abamnyama, i-horoscope. Yayibona ezinye zezinto eziyimfihlakalo ezazisebenza kudala but ezingathini ezikwazi ukupredicta impilo ne-future yabantu, ne-past ne-present, zikhulume nge-past nge-present ezatshontshwa kithi. Sekuba ngathi ziza nezinye izizwe kanti they come from the black people indaba ye-horoscope ne, ngoba when it comes to numbers ngeke ungenze nix ngama numbers. Uyabona makufanele ukuthi ngiride umuntu ne, ama numbers yiwo engigijima ngawo kakhulu, nama spirits sometimes anokukhuluma ngama numbers afly emoyeni uyabona. So ke indlela i-horoscope nayo yiyo indlela yethu esikhona ukwenza ngayo. So ke kakhulukazi mabafika manje ngoba I've been through yonke lendlela lento yokuthi ngibe nama spiritual attacks, ngikhone ukuthi ngiwanqobe ne, kwazi kwafika isikhathi la bathi now ukuthi fundisa abantu to raise their spiritual awareness, because kunama entities esiphila nawo. Umhlaba ukho the way thina subheka ngakho ngokuthi ungakhona ne, i-reality yomhlaba kunemist, akukho kanje. Once your dead eye ingavuleka khona manje uhleli la, into yokuqala uzoyibona imist. Umhlaba esiphila ude mist ne, and kule mist kunama entities amaningi, and kule once uyangale kule ungena kulomhlaba lo we-reality ne, that's where kugcwele khona ama entities. Ama entities lawa ayavakasha njalo umuntu makalele ayeza, amanye ama aliens, especially ama greys laba banamehla aba-grey with amehla amakhulu, they like ukuncika eduzane kombhede, especially kulaba abathi ba-gifted abakhona ukubona ngathini bathatha i-energy from kumuntu ngoba bathanda ukungena kakhulu la ikhanda, baba busy nekhanda lakho but ngeke uzibezwe, baba busy nekhanda lakho. And ziningi ilwane esiphila nazo but asiziboni. Mongazibona ungabaleka, futhi especially mongakazi ungavela kube ngathi uyahlanya, ungabaleka ungazi ukuthi ubalekani ngoba ziningi ilwane esiphila kuzo. Bese siza la ekutheni umuntu wakheke kanjani. Umuntu kufike kube uwe nespirit sakho lesesenza ukuthi uphile manje uhlale la isitulweni. But bese kuba khona another spirit your astral body, ne? Le astral body le mayingeke izikhona ukuvikela because uweak lo muntu lo owuwe ohleli la isitulweni. Esinye spirit esistronger singakhona ukumshiftisela eceleni kungene sona. It's gonna be you but another you. Because wena ispirit esikuwe siseceleni. It's just that sona sizofana nokuthi siya observe manje sifana njengani. Asena power. And once makushifta le spirit lesi sikwenza ukuthi uphile as a human being lesi uphila ngaso la in this physical world. Masi shifta sifike sihlale eceleni sibe like yabona njengoba ngibona sifike sibe yinto nje but siyakhona ukuobserve yonke into eyenzakalayo. So le spirit sakho lesi sikuwe masisukile kula khona kufika lezi zinto zokuthi abantu bayathwetshula bayenziwane. Umzimba womuntu ufana njengani. It's like an avatar where ama spirits can change. Aloka shintsha mawulele ebusuku kuzofika le spirit esikanje sisebenze ngawe or sikusebenzisa. So ngendlela uNkulunkulu asidale ngakhona ne as siyabantu njengabantu abamnyama because of our melanin na this strong rich power esinayo eqhamuka from our ancestors ne iyenza ukuthi we are special ngoba kune power esingakhona esingena access yayo and yet sinayo. Sifana nokuthi sifana nabantu abaphethe AK47 abangakwazi ukuyisebenzisa. Ukuthi unayo yonke into yokuziprotecta but you can't use it. Uyayibona because I was ne why ungazi sifidwe kakhulu iinformation eqhamuka ngaphandle. Sibelieve kwizinto esizithole la emhlabeni esizinikwayo kuthiwa thatha funda. Kukanje na ubelivele la ukuthi kukanje sibelivela kwindlela esikhuliswe ngayo ukuthi ekhaya bebethi bathi kanje uyabona yeah okunye kuyiqiniso kunjalo okunye kakhulukazi ipower yakho ila ngaphakathi kuwo i-human being ngendlela uNkulunkulu ayenze ngakhona wenze ukuthi even these nama aliens ama extraterrestrials afuna ukusifunda and ayahluleka ukusifunda ne ayahluleka ukusifunda because wena umuntu kanje uyakwazi ukuthi once understand ipower yakho uyakwazi ukuthi ubreak iveil uye ngale khona ukubona ireality. Uyakwazi ukuthi utravel and go to other worlds and see abantu abafana nawe aba connected to you abaphilayo impilo le nawe ozitshela ukuthi uyayiphila. Eminye imhlaba ekhona existayo iyafana nale esikuyo eminye ihlukile ngokuthini. Yeah, I will tell you about this world. Enye injani is the same as this one. Ihluke ngani? Njalo ngo3 ntambama kune dust ered ezayo ithi wonke umuntu uyayiunderstand lo dust ngoba kuphilwa kanjalo kufuneka ahamba uthatha icover aqashe after mayiqedile lento le dust then everyone uyabuya wherever la qashe khona uyabuya then life goes on.
So it's like another world unabantu nakhona.
You are also there.
Even we are there.
Yes. Eminye imhlaba uthi mawufika kuyo uthole ukuthi abantu that you are associated with your friends la uthole your friend lo umntana kini lapho yabona yeah akusuka ukuthi anise ama friend ngama siblings ngale and ngale u successful yabona yeah they do exist. I've been there kuleyo mhlaba le ehlukahlukene kwesinye isikhathi uba nalento le ukuthi bengithanda ukuba yilawyer Utho ukuthi into bolokuyithanda ukhulula ukuyithanda or bengithanda ukuba udoctor mara ubanga udoctor. In another world khona umuntu owudoctor uwe but niya connect. Just that uthepha kulento yokuthi udoctor kwenye indawo. So that gift uyakhona ukuthi uconnect kuyo. So ke njengoba ngithi ku-important ukuthi abantu ba-raise their spiritual awareness bakhone ukuthi bazinake kuleyo nto leyo iyenzela ini ukuthi sikwisikhathi esinzima lesi sikuso ne ama-aliens yes akhona njengoba ama-aliens akhona mina ngiqala ukuwabona from benginangaki bengina 16 ukuqala ukuba ne experience yama aliens ukuthi akhona la eSouth Africa la ne right ngwabone sometimes ngizozwa lento lama ship wabo bahamba ngawo abantu bazothi balele nje endlini ba fast asleep then mina ngizovuka izongivusa lento ithi bheka then nayi ship yandlula uyabona so bakhona ne so ke ama aliens njengoba akhona uke wathi kimi umlomo ongathethi manga wathi ni busy la emhlabeni nilwa nodwa ngaleso sikhathi bengikuka izinto zepolitics ngibusy ngazo into zibusy up and down ipolitics kuyalena le then ke sesi spirit wathi umoya engcwele ni busy nilwa nodwa kahle kahle nina abantu basemhlabeni kahle kahle kufanele ni unite because adina chance kunama aliens afuna ukuthi arule umhlaba aphendule nina igcila anisebenzise nibe yigcila so kuba ngathi thina silwa sodwa sayibambezela kanti ngabe siyahlangana so that silwe impi yaleyilwane ezingafani nathi but ezifuna ukuthi zitake over la emhlabeni so ke leyilwane lezi ezikhona ezingafani nathi ezifuna ukutake over eziqhamuka from kwamanye ama galaxy kwezinye indawo ezifuna ukutake over it is unfortunate ukuthi dala zikhona la emhlabeni ne and makudala zikhona la emhlabeni kuma countries abantu abasiphethe abanye ngathini especially kuma first world countries bayakhona ukuthi benza ama deal nalabantu because bafuna ukuthi labantu babayenzela ama weapons it's about power basebenzisa ipower at the end of the day ezoscosta thina as humans la emhlabeni angithi bona bafuna ipower ukuthi ngibe kube i-country lena ene army ehamba phambili enama weapons ahamba phambili and the more bayenza kanjalo these weapons abazakhayo ezigijimayo ezenzana abanye bazithatha from bafundiswa yiwo lama aliens ukuthi bakhe lama weapons ne so ke njengoba ngithatha leyo nto le is because ngibe na this kube na this revelation ebekhona ukuthi kukhona laba abaphethela emhlabeni ngathi bagadela emhlabeni ukuthi singadestroyani sodwa mabafika kimi bathi ngiyababona nabo ne ngikhuluma nabo but balapha bona balapha indlela abagqoke ngayo ne bafake izinto engathi ama bronze and bangathi abantu bamenje ngathi ne but abanye banobuso belephatha abanye banobuso bebhubesi abanye banobuso bamadada bahlukahlukene ne okokuqala mangizoqala ukubabona bebehlele etafuleni bene meeting iyenzeke 3 months ago behleli etafuleni bene meeting ne ngiyababona labantu bahlukahlukene and abanye ngathi ama aliens but they are wearing lezi zinto ezingama bronze ngathi gold itafula labo ngathi it's a ship lento abakuyo ne bayi-operator la itafuleni kungathi yi-bronze la itafuleni bese kuba ne diamond lapho nalapho kunama-diamond ahlukahlukile amakhala ne baqale baba ne-meeting ne right mababa ne-meeting kwase kuyandlula ayiso ukuthi okay bane-meeting lama baba ne-meeting bathi kunenkinga la ekhona ne right ke mababuya second time kula basho ukuthi la ngathini umhlaba u-under threat kula babuye khona a month ago bathi umhlaba u-under threat baveza so bona njengoba bavela ne bavela ngokuthi kufanele ukuthi bastop lento eyenzakalayo angazi ukuthi bazoyistopa kanjani but bathi fanele bastope lento eyenzakalayo because bazisho ukuthi bona abasihluphi nganix kodwa makuqala ukuthi sekuqala sekukhona abafuna ukubhomana bodwa sekukhona abathreaten abanye ngama-nuclear weapons and mase iqala sekunamanye ama-aliens abafuna ukuthi le war ibe khona because kukanje kukhona ama-aliens afuna ukuthi war ibe khona and they are influencing ama-human beings aphilayo la bese kuba khona ama-aliens la agadile la ukuthi kungadestroywa this universe ne la emhlabeni this earth ne then ke labo yilaba abahlangene laba engithi mina baqalile iship yabo ayihambe normally ihambela kude but now it's closer to la emhlabeni it's closer to umhlaba wethu lesiku iship yabo because now ngathi kune problem so that was the message le enye ngayithola from laba uyabona i-message ngiyithole after a month
Okay.
yeah le 3 months back ngalesikhathi bane-meeting ne yababuya futhi ne angikhulumi ngento ukuthi mangiyithola bengilele ngiba nesikhathi la ngiyalala kube nesikhathi la ngiphaphama mangiphaphama then mina endaweni eminyama automatically that eye yami iyashuta kwaba mnyama nje amehlami lawa wasaboni sekuyi-that ayisebenzayo so iba kanjalo so indlela engibabone ngayo ne yeah then ke so thina as abantu abamnyama siyadinga kakhulu ukuthi si activate ipower yethu ikhona ilanga phakathi kithi ne and ikhona futhi nala ezandleni kunepower ephuma la ongakhona kuyisebenzisa mawusenkingeni if you believe in it and ukhonile ukuraise into zakho yakhona ukuphuma ikulwele ila so angithi uyabona ukuthi bebezama ukuthi ezinye izinto singazazi njengokuthi sikhulise kuthiwa ama-standards afuneke uvala ipower yakho and you allow ama-entities ukuthi adlale ngawe and indlela esikhuliswe ngayo ne ukuthi when we pray sithandaza uNkulunkulu yonke into yethu it's outside and once waqala wayifuna outside you allow the entities to say we are here my child sizokusiza and there's lots and lots of entities zihlukahlukene asifanani ama-greys yini ama-extraterrestrials so many entities including nalama entities aza njengey'bhoko ahamba ngomoyothi yabona lo moyothi mawubona ngaphandle yenza so yeah lo moya lo ungakufikela ulele endlini uthi ifikile into and mayifikile ize kuyizokusebenzisa especially as a gifted person it attach itself like emqolo because kufanele ihambe ngale party le enekundalini kufanele ihambe it is so ngoba ifuna ukungena la wonke ama entities angena la because ipower yonke ila umhlaba ula ngaphakathi kumuntu ne umhlaba ula ngaphakathi. You can travel uye wherever using le part la ngapha. Kushithi uma ungazitshela nje ukuthi ipower nepower engiyifunayo. Yeah. So funeke sifunde ukuthi into umlomo wethu unepower. Into ikhulumayo inepower. Ikuwe lonto leyo funeka uyitrust ukuthi khona. Inepower. Yonke into ikhulumayo kuwe inepower, ne? Right. Kuneyilwane njoba sisafundiswa masikhula ukuthi umuntu makanokha late ungabuthi come in. Funeka uyobheka ungathi come in. Kunama entities aqhamuka from other spiritual realms, ne? Anokufika inokhe. Because wena ipower yakhe la uNkulunkulu usakhe ngenye indlela ukuthi akunanto that can enter you without wena ukuthi uvume. So when you say come in, already uyifakile phakathi. Sometimes ziba clever, especially masibona ngoba kakhulu sithanda ukutarget abantu aba spiritually gifted kakhulu, ne? Izoyenza ngazi ukuthi it will play a trick uzwe ngathi kunomuntu okhalayo o uzwe voice yomntana kini. Angithi manje seyiza ngenye indlela ifuna uvula umnyango. Lese kunobhuti wakhe eroomini. Uzomuzwa khala yo yeah umuzabiza igama lakho yo ma umuntu lona ongakhona ukulalela your senses, ongakhona ukulalela i voice ekhulumayo ku uzogijima uyovula emnyango uthi kwenzakalani, uyabona kanti so ingenisile into, ne? So nokwakheka komuntu yabona njengoba singabantu la emhlabeni siyabantu si half bantu half animals. Omunye umuntu but unekhanda lephathi. Omunye umuntu unekhanda lebhubesi.
Almost like the old Egyptian drawing.
Yes. Sinomzimba onjalo futhi. Ekufuneka ukuthi mangabe so hambe kakhulu kulento le uzohamba uyithole lento le ukuthi wena isakhi isilwane yini. And you'll find ukuthi lesilwane oyiso nala emhlabeni unama ngathini unama characters waso leso silwane leso. Yabona la emhlabeni uzozithola ukuthi hayi ama characters leso silwane usebenza ngawo udila ngawo. You akisa phambili ngempilo because uyileso silwane. So mina ngiyakwazi ukubonela abanye abantu ukuthi okay kufana noma mangizosebenza nabantu ngenzani ngiyababheka kuqala ukuthi ngisebenza naziphi ilwane. Then ngizobona ukuthi okay hyena, okay lo yini. So I know ukuthi kufanele ngizigade kuphi nokuthi kufanele nginyathele kanjani ukuthi sikhona ukusebenzisana singanyathelani.
Mankos, before we proceed further, now I want us to go back a bit. Let us go back to your story.
Yes.
You have informed us so much, making awareness. Now, let's regress kancane. You were almost at the age of 30. Maguza, the angel of death.
Yes.
You were praying. Ngicela sithathe lapho your experience, then up to now, what happened from then?
Yeah, experience yami makufika le angel ngathini iye yangivula amehlo, ne? Ingivule amehlo ukuthi umuntu makahamba emhlabeni ukhona umnikazi womphefumulo, ukhona i-angel that will come specialize ngokulanda your spirit umphefumulo. Iyeza izolanda umphefumulo nokuthi abantu mabe hallucinate mabaqala sebakhuluma izinto singabathathi ngathi bayahlanya, especially lento inokuyenzeka umuntu makazoshona kufana noma umuntu angazange agule. Umuntu ongazange agule bese ayahamba shayiswa imoto kanye uzwe bathi sebamgwazile. Mongabuyele emuva ubheke ukuthi bekayenzani uzomthola ukuthi bekungase uye. Ufaste kwenzeni izinto. Umuntu angahamba athi bekufanele ngithenga indlu manje athenga imoto manje besashona. Izinto bekafuna ukuzenza la emhlabeni bekafisile ukuthi lezi funeka zenze. Uyabona? And uyashesha makenza into zakhe. Noma uhamba naye uhamba nehamba so. uzoloku akushiya uma ngale uyangishiya why uyishesha kangaka yonke into yakho uyayisheshisa ne uyayisheshisa yonke into yakho uyayisheshisa umuntu mangabe esezoshiya umhlaba ne right and into ebhlungu ukuthi mawusozoshiya umhlaba angeke ubone umuntu ngathini oseBhayibhelini okuphi no kuzabantu bakini sometimes ireality ikushaya la ungeke usakhona ukutshela abantu abaseduzana ukuthi ngibona ukuthi abanye baze babambezeleke ukuthi ahambe ahlupha abantu thola ukuthi umuntu okwesikhathi uhlupha abantu ngoba uyabambezeleka ngokuthini akazange ayithole that reality akazange afunde ngayo ukuthi kwenzakalani so kuba nzima for lo muntu loyo ukuthi aye phambili ashiye umhlaba ngoba umuntu kuyenzeka ukuthi isikhathi sakhe sesiphelile la emhlabeni mara lokaphila and maye lokaphila uzoloke angasesewuyi mara lo uyaphila uyaphefumula ayikhona ukwenzeka kahle i-transition yokuthi umoya ukhona ukuya la kufanele kuye khona yabona so ku-important ukuthi abantu bazazi izinto bazamaqiniso ukwazi iqiniso mina into nento engiyikhulumayo kakhulukazi ngiyayikhulume into that can be proven into imyth angihambisani nayo ngoba nami myself izinto eziyimyth ngifuna ukuyithola into ukuthi kwempela iyayenzeka na uyayibona lento le kwempela iyayenzeka na so izinto nezinto engizikhuluma izinto that can be proven izinto abanye abantu who can come and say yey nami ngiyayazi lento noma ngingayazi ngalendlela so spirituality the way si broader ngakhona you can never say lento engikhuluma say complete abantu they must all believe in it because it's complete it will never be complete because the way sisikhulu ngakhona that the way omunye azobona this abone that but zonke leto ziyiqiniso uyabona sometimes ukungaboni kahle kungakwenza ukuthi upredict izinto wrong just like indaba ye rapture when people on social media were busy say talking about rapture ukuthi iyeza yabona yeah it's because kunento abayibonile but bayirida wrong uyayibona lento le they've seen something kodwa ngenxa ukuthi abanalo lelihlo leli lokufunda izinto right yabona i-communication yabo with the higher spirit akaka flow kahle bayijudge wrong into then bazothi kuzoyenzeka ukuthi ngizokutshela ngesikhathi se-COVID ukuthi kwayenzakalani
before we get the manje
okay
ngicela ukubisela mo Mankosi there are a lot of people right now watching us who believe and who can reflect that they are like you now. Khona umzali manje, as we are watched by thousands and millions of our viewers right now, ne? Who believe ukuthi what you went through as a child, my child is going through the same thing. Now, let us give some form of solution and assistance where we can. Now, you grew up as this child from the age of 4 or 5, very, very young. Very, very young. You started having these gifts. Now, I'm more interested on you personally now, so that the audience will then bahambisane now, bakufumane kahle. Now, the reason I was saying, after the age of 30, when the angel of death came, then uMankosi wakhula to this stage where she is now. Let us give them a clue and a direction. From now, what do you call yourself? How do they open the third eye? And more importantly, how do I find myself? I am myself. I can see myself through as you are sitting there speaking to Sipho Konamai. But then as you moved on, what made you to come to a point where a third eye Sipho, this is how you get it? Probably reading of the word. Probably doing ancestral appeasement, probably doing this, asking questions, going to church, going to historians. How does one get to find lento lengaphakathi? Because I can assure you, I'm in awe right now as I'm listening to Gut at the age of 5. I don't say bad. So the things that she knew, we can attach like studio Guti, some of our listeners as you are one of a special kind. Hence, I'm asking the first question that I asked you. How do you define yourself? Manje, njengoba usumdala, ukuthi okay, look, if I'm a special child, I'm a child of destiny. There are a lot, and. That is the first question. Second question, what helped you a lot to get to understand this gift onayo? And then I'm more also interested in this third eye. In the third eye, how do I open the third eye?
Okay.
Keep it short.
Yes. Okay, cool. Let's keep it short. We have to.
Yeah. That eye ilihlo lomoya ne.
Okay.
Eli located la ngaphakathi kwi-brain, at the back of the brain ngaphakathi, and lihlo leli elikwazi ukubonisa i-reality. So asifani ngama-gift angithi mina ngangenwa abalozi ne abang-assistayo ukuthi ngathini ngikwazi ukugijima kakhulu ngokwe-gift yami. Angeke ngifane nabanye abantu abangenaba abalozi. Abanye they are gifted but abanabo abalozi angithi. Yeah. So ke mina njoba nginabalozi, I use i-gift yami ukuthi ngibakhansele, ngibaguide kwindlela yabo ye-spirituality, ukuthi umuntu athole i-purpose yakhe, azi ukuthi fanele njengoba kwenzeka kanje ngikhona ukumguide on that. And while umuntu mangihleli naye kanje ngimkhansela, let's say angitshela indaba zakhe ukuthi mina kwenzeka this and that, then ngimkune information engidownloada ngiloku ngihleli nawo emayilana nawo ukuthi okay, njengoba kwenzeka kanje kufanele ukuthi wenze 1 2 3, uyabona. Then ngizobe sengikutshela nezinye izinto, because i-gift yami ihamba as far as nokuthi ikwazi nokureveal amagama abantu. It can say hey uSipho kanje. Uyayibona lento le. Ihamba kanjalo, ihamba futhi iphinde i-reveal nokuthi okay wena kahle njengoba uyibiza ukuthi umZulu, awusumZulu, umuntu kanje. I-family yakhe iqhamuka from, yakubo baba iqhamuka from kule ndawo kanje. Uyayibona. So ngiyabasiza abantu nangalokho. Uyabona ukuthi umuntu azithole ahambe kahle elayinini yakhe yale gift yakhe emphethe. Ngiyamsiza umuntu kanjalo ukuthi ngimguide kahle ukuthi spirituality sikhamba kanje, mawubona kanje akusuka ukuthi kukanje. Uyabona. Yeah. And then sibuyele la ekulaleleni your spiritual guides ne, ukuthi ube umuntu lo ohambisanayo with ukubona kwakho ne. Kunezinto ezingane ongazinaki endlini, uthi uya prepare ufuna ukuya somewhere or you want to go to the mall, then kuzoba na this voice encane that says ungakhohlwa into ethile, ngoba wena uzitshela ukuthi le uyenzayo at the moment i-important. Uzukhulume na uzikhulumele wena ngaphakathi uthi hayi yeah ngizoyithatha into ethile, ube busy, ungayi same time like khomba khona, ube busy nalento oyenzayo, na kanjani uzoyikhohlwa because awuzange ulalele le voice. And le voice le, the way ihlakaniphe ngakhona, mawuyilalela mayithi uyenza into ethile, yekela noma into ingaba important kangakanani oyenzayo, yekela uthathe leyo nto ethi ithathu uyifake ebhekini, then ubuyele kulento oyenzayo. Iya upgrade. It's like umuntu ifana njengokungathi umuntu okubhekile ukuthi uyamlalela na, makabona ukuthi uyamlalela athi okay let's move on, sekakubonisa into ezinkulu ukudlula le bekakutshela ngazo, sekakutshela ngeinto ezinkulu mara iqala ngeinto ezincane ukuthi ungakhohlwa ukuthatha into ethile, ungakhohlwa ukuthatha le vazi uyibeke lapho, then uthi hayi because ngipholisha icathulo, ithi ngipholisha icathulo kuqala ngizoya kuyivazi, ikhulume ngamabomu ngoba iyazi ukuthi when you continue doing lento yenzayo uzoyikhohlwa le vazi. So yeah, there's a lot to spirituality and there's a lot of connection esinayo amongst each other. Kunabantu abanyozi othi mawubabona ufile ukuthi lo muntu ngathi ngiyamazi but awumazi. Into ekwenza ukuthi ufile ngathi lo muntu uyamazi ingoba you are connected somewhere kwamanye ama-realm, kweminye imihlaba. You are connected naloya muntu, that is why umbonile lapha yana, is because maybe uyi-cousin yakho or maybe uyi-friend yakho lapha kuleyo mhlaba loyana. Manje mawumita la kunalento ethi ngiyamazi. So ke information eningi ikhona, we can download it inside of us. We can even download iBhayibheli. Indlela le yeBhayibheli, indlela ekufanele sambe ngayo connecta with iBhayibheli, you can download it in yourself, within yourself.
Mankosi, ngempela isikhathi sinomona. We definitely have to do justice by having back once again. Lapha emakhaya, please do at this point in time let us know ukuthi nawo Mankosi uyayibeka indaba yakhe. I'm sure some of you, I can sense this very strongly. There are people who are so like you and who need help with regards to understanding and finding ukuthi more importantly into engicabanga Mankosi is the solution of understanding first, and how do I manifest it so that ibe mhlawumbe into ezongiphilisa futhi. And also I'd like to believe mina ukuthi yabona anything that is given to you, if you can exploit and then to make money, not exploitation yokuthi hamba uqola abantu, but ibe igift ezokwenzela imali so that uphile ngayo. So young and old, baningi abantu abako in that state right now. So baningi Mankosi abantu abakuleso state leso. So in closing Mankosi,
Also,
yes,
people in the comments, since we're gonna bring her back, they should write the questions. The questions they wanna ask. So
Okay.
when she's back, we know what to ask.
definitely.
Yes.
Mankosi, in short, I'm more interested mina personally as well. Since you grew up, ngifila na this envy ukuthi I wish I was like you, maybe ngabe prophet, ngabe ya, ngizothi ngiqola abantu, like I would use this gift. What do you call yourself? Ngale gift lonikwe yona.
I call myself a counselor. I call myself a psychic. Yeah, a counselor and a psychic.
Okay. Is it a nice journey to be you in your life? What are the goods and bads of what you went through?
Yeah. At first I thought ukuthi it's a curse. Makuhamba isikhathi mayiloke ingisindisa eyintweni eziningi ezenzakalayo, because I've been through a lot. Ngale gift yami, I've been through a lot. Ngayibona ukuthi no, it's not a curse kahle kahle. Uyabona ukuthi funeke ngi-embrace the negative and the positive yayo. Ngoba the positive ukuthi akukho ukuphumula kokuthi ngirestile as a human being, ngiyalala ngivuke kube mnandi, ngizolala amalanga abe few but ziyabuya la emhlabeni. Khona kufuneke ngidile nako ebusuku, especially maqala nje kuba mnyama, khona into ekufuneka ngidile nazo. Ama attacks attacker udila nayo uhlala nje under attack. So le gift lena uzitshela ukuthi you are the only one ngathini, uzitshela ukuthi abantu obaziyo yibo kuphela abakwaziyo, kanti kunabantu who knows you, because khona la nifike ubaphazamise khona kulamanye ama-realm, yabona khona la ubaphazamisa khona, and they will come for you. Kokunye beza because they want to win you ukuthi ube kusayidi labo. The satanism will come. Nalaba be satanism, they will come. Bazokuchallenge, bazoza. Yabona, because they are trying to win you ukuthi so that le gift yakho uzoyisebenzisa kahle kwi territory yabo. So ubhekane nento ezinjalo ukuthi baningi abantu abazofuna ukurecruit. Yabona, so nami senganingi ngihlangana nabo abantu abafuna ukungirecruit abangilethe kule side eli negative. So mina into yami iyazikhulumela, ayizwani nento ezi negative. Ingitshela kusese straight ithi lo ngeke angene la ngoba uthwele. Isho kwindawo ispace engikuso uma kwi-space sami sokukhuleka. Ithi ngeke angene la ngoba uthwele. Mayiceda ukusho kanjalo ngibone kuflada indlu. Ngibone isindlu igcwala amanzi iflada. Then ngiyazi ukuthi lo muntu loya must bring close.
And lastly, the sweet and beneficial things about having the gift in Mankos, that you enjoy the moves with Yabona Hatebe. If there's one thing that I enjoy or love, ngale gifting community, you want to make awareness, you want people to embrace. Is pure sinjalo. As you said yourself, I thought it was a case. What is the most wonderful thing that you enjoy, so to put it?
Enjoy ngale gift ukuthi ngeke ngicambela amanga. Ayikho into ongayenza ngami because ngibona usakhuluma ngikwazi ukukhuluma nenhliziyo yomuntu ahleli ezithulele njengakhulumanga ngizothi lokucabanga ukuthi nokuthi so ingenza ukuthi ngihlale ngiphambili kunabanye abantu ngihlala ngibagijimela phambili ngibahambela phambili ngaso sonke isikhathi.
Wow. Bafethu lapha emakhaya nemzulu mama ubekile udaba lwakhe. Like I said, I kind of feel if I knew I had maybe mama uzongitshela unayo sipha so discuss us with me one day. Anyways, Buffett, please let us know if you know yourself ukuthi sika lento Mankosi ayisho I'm the same guy somehow need guidance. Please let us know on the comments, Bafethu. And also, would like to have your questions so that when you bring photo mama so that she'll be able to then assist us more, because as she said, with the things of the spirit, guys, we take them for granted. And the last corner today, because of they play a major role on our uprising or our downfall, which is I strongly believe that, guys. So everything starts there and then descends into the natural. So Bafethu lapha khona, please let us know the questions that you might have for Mama. If there's any contradictions, or if you say I stand differently, please do come through on the show and let us know. Mama Kona, she's willing to assist, like she said, guys. So please don't come and say yonke as we always in our disclaimer, guys. So umafun goes a show and whatever that you want to do, let it be from your heart, let it be from your own discretion, and we'll never ever allow anything that we discuss and then it causes hatred, segaliwa. Let us be wise and have open discussions, guys, like matured people, so that we learn, we disagree to agree. If we hold it like that, guys, then we are able to move forward in a most positive direction. Other than that, Bafethu Sabonga, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button, Bafethu. Share our stories. Let us know what you think, Bafethu. If you contradict to Mama, please, we'd like to have in the show. Come through. As Talent Princess discussed, probably can learn so much from you, and then we'll have our personal conviction to say, yes, and when I choose Mama, because what she's saying makes so much sense, and I'm living what she's saying. So please do, guys, stay focused. Yeah, each one, teach one. So it's a podcast paranormal show. Bafethu ral ke na ral thathamora re dlale. Utsong data magoa. Yeah, le re shebele nako ya ghost paranormal. Se re fikile ayoba. Mami, thank you so much, ma.
You're welcome. Thank you.